I started this company on my own and now have a team of nearly 100 and we turn over £3 million in revenue. I worked for the last 20 years as a chef, but I saw a massive gap in the market for fine dining event caterer and just grabbed it with both hands, really. When COVID-19 started, it was a bit worrying. Everyone went off, we shut down, but we couldn't just sit at home, so we had to think outside the box. So we decided to create an online store. It was scary at first, obviously, it's something I hadn't done before. We came across Wix, set up the online store over a couple of days. It was up and running. We started with a few items because we wanted to get it right. Just a box, it's nice and easy and it gets delivered, so that's worked really well. The first week was crazy. We sold and prepared over 800 boxes. We use Wix Payments to accept payments online and we've been really pleased with it. We're definitely going to keep selling online in the future. It's really expanded our business and we've got plans to keep going. I never expected it to grow this big, to be honest. I just wanted to provide some great food.